Welcome to Cantonese853. Let's discuss how to form a question in Cantonese. These are some common question words. 邊個 that is who. 幾時 when. 邊度 where. 乜嘢 what. 邊個 which. Yes, it's true. You realize that the word who and which also used as 邊個. This is the reason it depends on whether you got a measure word there. Let's say like this one. This is about a coffee. You will say 邊個咖啡 which means which coffee. 幾點 that is at what time. 點解 why. 點樣 that is how. Before we go to asking the question, let's think about the basic formula for making a sentence. That is the person, the time, the location, the action, and description. In making the question, this is still the formula. That's why the question will not be always in the front or at the beginning of the sentence, unlike other languages like English. Question is always based on the answer. Let's take a look with this sentence. Let's say, he will take a taxi to the airport at 5 p.m., in which in the previous videos we have mentioned about it. I will put the link in the description, so if in case you would like to take a look with the video again, you can go for it. The person, the time, the action description, and action description, which is the formula. 佢5點搭的士去機場. What about if you would like to make it into a question form? Let's say, who will take a taxi to the airport at 5 p.m.? Still think like a movie and apply it in the formula. 邊個5點搭的士去機場. What about at what time will he take a taxi to the airport? If you just think like English, it seems it's very difficult. But the formula and the structure has not changed, and it still looks the same like a movie. 佢幾點搭的士去機場. You could realize that you just need to put the right question word in the right place. What about what will he take to go to the airport? 佢5點搭乜嘢去機場. And then where will he take a taxi to at 5 p.m.? Then it will become 佢5點搭的士去邊度. Isn't it sounds easy if we just go with the imagination and the picture with the image? But when it's applied to your language and then you put it back into Cantonese, it is not that easy to handle. The key is to still base on the formula of the answer, and then you put the question word where you would like to put. This also applies to when some Cantonese speakers ask you questions, and the structure is still the same. Please leave your comment or email to me what you want to know more. Thank you. See you next time.